नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं इंडस फूड एग्जीबिशन में जो कि हो रही है इंडिया एक्सपो मार्ट ग्रेटर नोएडा में। इस एग्जीबिशन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है ट्रेड प्रमोशन काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया ने। वेलकम टू इंडस फूड। हाउ इज़ योर एक्सपीरियंस विद इंडस फूड सो फार?
Yeah, the experience has been good. This is our first year, and the experience.
And sir, tell me something about your product range.
Our product is from grains and oil seeds, sesame seed, raisins, and all the agriculture products which are being there in the market.
And sir, in your opinion, how these kinds of events are important for food processing industry and agriculture sector?
I think it is a very good effort from the government of India to bring in so many buyers, and for Indian food product, this is the best place to showcase their products in the world market.
And sir, what are the products that are in pipeline?
No new products so far, but it depends on the market. And
So any innovations that are taking place in the company or?
there's several products are going on, but nothing we can discuss right now.